Tell me if this sounds familiar. You like a girl, you text her with all your heart, and then she replies after 7 long hours with just one word. At that moment, even Wi-Fi disconnection feels less painful. So today, we're talking about the types of guys girls never take seriously. And if you find yourself in these examples, relax, we're fixing it too. First, there's the any girl will do guy. The one who reacts with heart emojis to every Instagram story on earth. When you treat every girl like she's special, no girl feels special. Scarcity creates value. Then we have the speed attachment champion. One kind message, and he's already imagining kids, honeymoon, and matching profile pictures. Girls love attention, but they don't want to be someone's only hobby. And then, there's the zero confidence guy, who walks around like a rejected discount item. If you don't believe in yourself, why would she? Another type is the show-off who thinks girls fall in love with rented cars, fake luxury, and hustle 24/7 captions. Real confidence whispers, it doesn't scream. Next, the always available guy. If you cancel your plans and pick up calls on the first ring, like it's your full-time job, she'll treat you like a free option. And of course, the fake personality expert who changes himself just to impress. If she falls for your fake version, you'll end up losing her and yourself. So who do girls actually take seriously? The guy who respects himself, has purpose, has boundaries, knows his worth, and gives attention without losing his identity. When you treat yourself like someone valuable, others start treating you the same. Girls don't ignore good guys. They ignore guys who don't see the good in themselves. So stand up straight, smile with confidence, and remember this: stop chasing love, attract it.